Let me show you what the perfect tropical island escape really looks like. There are still places in Thailand without the crowds, where the nature feels untouched and the atmosphere is truly peaceful. This is one of them. Designed to blend seamlessly with the surroundings, Dinso Resort and Villas Koh Chang creates a perfectly balanced environment to reconnect with nature. Follow if you love discovering unique hotels like I do, and let me take you through this beautiful 5-star resort. If you've been watching my channel, you probably know I'm not a fan of crowded destinations, and Koh Chang is a perfect alternative to places like Phuket. The natural beauty here feels untouched, and the beaches are truly top tier. There ain't many 5-star hotels on the island, which makes it even more special to experience one of the newest luxury additions, Dinso Resort and Villas Koh Chang. Designed to blend seamlessly with the surroundings, the resort is built using recycled and natural materials, giving the interiors a raw, rustic, and authentic feel. And even though it's brand new, it feels perfectly integrated into the environment, almost as if it has always been part of the landscape. I stayed in the entry-level deluxe room at Dinso Resort and Villas Koh Chang, and I have to say, the experience was already very impressive. The room feels spacious and authentic, largely thanks to use of natural materials throughout. There is a lot of wood in the design, which instantly gives you that warm, tropical atmosphere. The lighting is soft, there are no loud or distracting colors, and everything works together to create a calm, relaxed mood. You will also find a proper work desk and a cozy sofa next to the TV. Simple but well thought out. Near the entrance there is a closed wardrobe that feels compact and functional. Right next to it, the minibar with the fridge is seamlessly integrated into the same structure, continuing that natural, cohesive design with subtle decorative touches. But what truly deserves special attention is the bathroom. This is where the experience really stands out. It's incredibly aesthetic and beautifully designed, the kind of spot that makes you want to slow down and enjoy it. The shape of the bathtub set on natural stones looks stunning, and the sink design is honestly one of the most unique details in the room. And of course, there is a spacious balcony with a cozy sofa, a perfect spot to sit back and enjoy tropical breeze. There are also rooms with pool access at Dinso Koh Chang, but I didn't get to see them inside, though they're supposed to be similar to the basic room, just giving access to the pool, which is also a great feature. If you want to elevate your stay at Dinso Koh Chang even further, you can upgrade to one-bedroom pool villa. Here you get significantly more space and a deeper, more immersive atmosphere. The interior is slightly darker, but it enhances the jungle-like feeling. Wood is used extensively on the walls and in most of the furniture, creating a very cohesive and natural look. The bed is placed in the center of the room with an intimate canopy, and there is a small living area separated by a bamboo partition, adding both privacy and character. And once again, the bathroom is absolutely stunning. Filled with natural light and surrounded by greenery, it really feels like the bathtub is set right in the middle of the jungle. It's a very special experience. The private pool and outdoor lounge and terrace complete the villa perfectly, adding that extra level of exclusivity. And now let's talk about one of the most important parts of the staycation, the breakfast. At Dinso Koh Chang, it definitely did not disappoint. In fact, quite the opposite. Breakfast is served at the deep primitive restaurant in a buffet style, and you'll find pretty much every flavor you could imagine here. The restaurant itself is quite spacious and divided into several zones, each with its own vibe. You can sit indoors with the air conditioned for comfort, choose a more aesthetic courtyard style setting, or go for an outdoor table with a partial sea view. It's completely up to you. The selection is honestly huge. It took me a while just to explore everything. Inside there is a large hall with multiple food stations, and it's easy to feel a bit overwhelmed at first. On one side you'll find fresh vegetables and salads served on ice, along with a variety of dressings. Right next to that there are dried fruits, cereals, and cornflakes with milk. Another section features local dishes and vegan-friendly choices. There's also a fridge with cold cuts, different cheeses, salami, ham, and even smoked salmon. All looked incredibly tempting. Nearby you will find a fridge with a selection of yogurts in different flavors. Of course, there are plenty of hot dishes as well, including rice, chicken curry, sausages, grilled vegetables, and more. Right in the center there is a bakery corner that's hard to resist. A wide variety of bread, croissants, chocolate muffins, and other desserts. Honestly, choosing what to take is the challenge on its own. And that's not all. Outside there are live cooking stations, including an egg station as well as freshly made pancakes and waffles. There are also signature sandwiches options where you can customize your toppings, a nice little touch. You'll also find a great selection of fresh juices and fruits, plus local noodle soup and traditional dishes if you are in the mood for an Asian-style breakfast. As I said, the variety is impressive, and even if the menu stays the same for a few days, you definitely won't get bored. I had a really enjoyable morning here, and with the refreshing weather, it made the whole experience even better. The main restaurant at Dinso Resort and Villas Koh Chang is beautifully connected to the main swimming pool, and this pool is seriously impressive. It's large enough for a proper swim, features a stunning emerald color, and offers peaceful sea views that instantly put you in a relaxed state of mind. The whole lounging area is designed so well, it feels cohesive, calm, and incredibly inviting. And just look at these cabanas. The design leans heavily on the natural wood, which makes everything feel so organic and in harmony with the surroundings, while still being comfortable and practical. You know that feeling when you are at the beachfront resort and it's nice, but still feels like a typical hotel. Here is different. Dinso Koh Chang really gives you that true tropical island vibe, and that takes the whole experience to another level. With a setting like this, you really can't go wrong. You can just come here, relax on the sunbed, clear your mind, grab a drink from the bar, or enjoy lunch or dinner right by the beach. But the real magic begins during the golden hour. I was lucky enough to catch it here, and honestly, it felt like being on another planet. The sunset colors were unreal. It's one of those moments where you just sit back with a cocktail, talk with someone you care about, and take in the beauty and calm of everything around you. It's a reminder of how special places like this still exist. So thank you Dinso Koh Chang for these unforgettable moments. And if you are curious to explore something with a more traditional Thai vibe, check out my video on Koh Chang, another hidden gem on the island. Don't forget to follow. I post new videos every 2 weeks. Let me know in the comments which hotels in Koh Chang you are most excited about, and I'll see you in the next one.